Now, Wolmer's boys are champions of the Issa Urban Area Under-16 basketball competition after sweeping Jamaica College 2-0 in their best-of-3 finals. However, the Under-19 championship will go down to the wire as the defending champions Campion College leveled their series with St. George's College on Tuesday. Garfield Jones has the details.
Malachi Richardson led Wolmer's boys to a dominant 65-50 victory over Jamaica College in the second game of the Issa Urban Area Under-16 basketball best-of-3 finals, sealing the series 2-0 and crowning them champions. Richardson finished with 18 points, 8 rebounds and 7 steals, while also providing crucial leadership on both ends of the court. While Richardson's performance was the headline for the Heroes Circle standard bearers, Alex Farquharson contributed 12 points and 9 rebounds, while Justin Wright added 12 points. Jamaica College showed heart, especially in the final quarter, where they fought back to cut Wolmer's lead to just 5 points midway through the period. However, Wolmer's experience and Richardson's poise under pressure were too much to overcome, and they closed out the game with a decisive run. With the win, Wolmer's boys now sit at the top of the urban area under-16 basketball scene and look forward to the All-Island Championship.
Well, I think in the second half, when we came back from their run, we started feeling a little bit comfortable, and then the Lord just gave us some inspiration, and then we start making some moves. That is really miraculous because the Lord was really guiding us in terms of how we work and how we operate.
But at halftime, I think we were up. It was a even score, yeah. But we got into foul trouble. And we were unable to go too deep into the bench. We wasn't getting anything from the bench.
In a thrilling Game 2 of the Urban Area Under-19 finals, defending champions Campion College leveled that series at 1-1, beating St. George's College 72-65. Zachary Lawrence Smith led the way with 24 points, while Raheem Martel posted a double-double with 15 points and 13 rebounds. Despite Imani Salmon's 24 points and Joshua Forbes' 13, St. George's couldn't hold off the Campion charge.
We knew that it would have been a tough game because they wanted to close out at home, but we came here knowing well that they were the only team to beat us along the rounds coming out, so that was the first loss for us.
We were expecting to close it out and go home and have a merry time, but we will be back for Game 3 on Friday.
The series now heads to a deciding Game 3 on Friday at the Campion College courts, starting at 3 p.m. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.